is for apple. Apple, red and round, take a bite. So Snapple. B is for ball. Baller. Bounce it high, don't let it fall. C is for cat. Cat, less soft and furry. Sit on my mat. D is for dog. Dog, no wagging its tail on a morning jog. E is for elephant. Elephant, big and strong with a trunk so elegant. F is for fish. Fish, swim in the water, splash and swish. G is for guitar, guitar, strum the strings, you're a star. H is for hat, hat back, put it on, just like that. I is for ice cream, ice cream, cold and sweet like a dream. J is for jelly, jelly, wiggle and wobble in my belly. K is for kite, kite to fly so high, up so bright. L is for lion, lion, roar so loud like a king so giant. M is for monkey, monkey, swinging fast, feeling funky. N is for nest, nest, egg so cozy, safe and best. O is for octopus, octopus, waving arms, what a fuss. P is for parrot, parrot, talking loud, such a chatter habit. Q is for queen, queen, wears a crown, looking serene. The R is for rainbow, rainbow, colors bright after rain will glow. S is for star, twinkle, twinkle, near and far. T is for train, choo-choo goes down the lane. U is for umbrella, umbrella, keeps us dry, that's so clever. V is for violin, violin, said play a tune, let's begin. W is for whale, whale, swimming big, splash a tail. X is for xylylone, xylylone, tap the keys, hear the tone. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo, up and down, watch it go. Z is for zebra, zebra, black and white, running so eager. Now we've learned A to Z, sing again and dance with me.